If you're in purchasing, you've lived this. Supplier updates come back in Excel, and your day disappears. You send an open order report. The supplier updates promise dates. Then you manually update every line in XA, copying, pasting, retyping, and double-checking. It's tedious and it's risky. One missed update can ripple into expediting, schedule changes, and late shipments. SystemLink Tool Kit changes the workflow. You don't retype updates. SystemLink Tool Kit updates XA for you. When the supplier sends the spreadsheet back, you simply save it to a shared drive. SystemLink Tool Kit reads the file, validates the changes, and applies approved updates directly to XA. That means hours back each week, fewer errors, faster updates, and your team can focus on exceptions instead of busy work. Stop retyping supplier updates. Automate them with SystemLink Tool Kit. Contact Guide Technologies for more information on SystemLink Tool Kit. We will be happy to answer any questions you may have.